Hello everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and in this video I will show you how to add modpacks to your SKLauncher. How do you add modpacks on your SKLauncher? So to be able to do that, you want to first install the SKLauncher itself. So go to their official site, which is this one right here, skmedics.pl, and then in order to direct you to the installer, you want to add the slash SKLauncher. Now install and open it. So log in with your Microsoft or Mojang account or offline if needed. Next is get your mod pack. So you have two options. You want to do CurseForge or modern mod packs, which are the most popular, or custom mod packs if you want, or they are shared by your friends or servers. So make sure the mod pack matches your Minecraft version. For example, if you have the 1.21.5, so you want to align it to that. Next is install Forge or Fabric. In SKLauncher, go to the Versions tab, select the Minecraft version your mod pack needs, example this one right here, and then download and install that version. Launch it once to create the mod folder. After that is add the mod pack. So you want to download your mod pack into a zip file or individual or jar mods. Press Windows plus R and then type this one. Then open Linux or Mac OS and then go to this one right here and then open the mods folder. So if you got a zip folder, extract it and copy all jar mods into the mods folder. So if it's already a ready to use, drop the whole folder into Minecraft mod packs. Now you can now launch the mod pack. So you want to go back to your SKLauncher, go to versions and then choose the Minecraft version with Forge or Fabric installed. Click play and then your mod pack should load with all the mods enabled. And that's it on how to add mod packs to your SKLauncher.